welcome to Naturally Corporate. I hope that you are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my eyebrow routine. It's really simple, but I had a few of you reach out to me about it. And of course, I figured I'd just share it with you. My challenge with getting my eyebrows right is finding the right color. I tried to get a color that, kind of goes with my natural hair color, which is sandy brown or dark sandy brown, and it gets lighter in the summer if I'm in the sun a lot. So I just always have to get my brow color right. If it's too dark, it just looks very, very unnatural to me. So I found this product at the drugstore and I picked it up. It is the REVLON Brow Fantasy. And it's a duo. On one side, you've got the pencil, and then on the other side is the brow gel. And I was really kind of intrigued by it because I've used brow gels in the past. My very first brow gel was from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and that was when I was just getting into my eyebrows. I don't know, several years ago. And then I've had some others since then. So when I found this little combo here, I figured I'd try it out. And this is not my first Revlon brow product. There was another pencil that I was using, and I fell in love with that. I had brown, soft brown, and even the auburn, and they were all beautiful. The colors were really, really nice. This is in the color dark brown, and I really like it. I've had it for a few months. I think I've got it. I've got the hang of it, and I will probably go try the auburn. I like the auburn. So yeah, but my eyebrow routine is really quick. And like I said, it's nothing fancy, but the result is amazing. I normally do my brows in the bathroom, so that's where we're going. Hey friends, so there will not be a lot of talking in this video. I will just let you watch and enjoy. I did want to say though, as you can see, I have very sparse eyebrows, and I think that came from or comes from years of having my eyebrows waxed. I did that back in the day, and as some of you may know, I have thyroid disease, which affects so many things with our bodies: hair, skin, nails, and believe it or not, it can target eyebrows, especially the outer corners of the eyebrows. But I just want to let you know that, and keep watching because I'm doing my eyebrows, but I also am giving you some bonus footage, and it's just applying my eye makeup. Enjoy. routine was really simple, and this is my favorite right now. And what I think I love most about this duo here, it does everything that I need for my brows, even without using concealer. It helps me define my brows, gives them some shape, it colors them, and then it sets them for the entire day with this gel. So my eyebrows don't go anywhere. And I like it. It's easy, easy, easy. I paid no more than $11 from this pencil, maybe even no more than 10 at the drugstore. And right now I plan to just keep using it until I run out of it and don't have any more pencil to sharpen, or when I'm just ready to experiment with something else for my brows. But I'm really pleased with this. So Revlon, I think, did a great job. It does come in a variety of colors. So dark brown may not be the color for you, but there's black, there's soft brown, there is auburn, and maybe even a few more. But definitely check out this Fantasy Brow if you're looking for a new product for your eyebrows. So friends, thank you so much for watching. I thank you for sticking with me till the end, and give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of content. It's a little bit different from what I normally share with you on my channel, but I absolutely wanted to share. So thank you so much. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.